Good morning. I don't know what I want to say right now, but I just wanted to start with good morning. So, hereby I say good morning to y'all. And may God bless your day. Well, I'll be back with you later and then tell a bit about my day. But it's not having much in it. I'm not gonna do much. But I will be back with you later. Hi guys. I have my vest on. I have a feeling that I'm catching up with the flu a little bit. So, well, maybe it's not. And it's only just a cold. But I don't feel really good. Most of the time, this is staying with just a cold. But yeah, it makes your body easily tired, and I have it warm and cold all at the same. So I don't think the video of today is gonna be very long because of that. And I planned for today to record the video about my depression, but I want to feel a little more energetic before I do that. So that's going to be another time. But yeah. So that's what's up right now. I'm not really... Yay! I'm a little bit... Nay. So yeah, but I'm still happy that it's from today. For me, it's 11, I guess, I think. Wait. Because I changed the profile picture. For me now, it's 11 days till takeoff. When you see this, it's 10 days till I take off. With the Dreamliner. A Boeing 787-8. I think it was. But so I can be happy still, but I'm taking my rest and not talk too much. So that's why I think this vlog is not gonna be very long. So yeah. But I'll be back with you later. This is not the end of the vlog. Okay. Bye. And of course I'm listening to the sea, and this song is great. I just love it. And I'm gonna sing then, and then I feel my throat hurting, so that's not what I need to do. Yeah, I don't know what to share with you right now. I don't have anything interesting right now. So, I guess you have to wait. Oh, this is really a bad vlog. Oh yeah, I ordered something. Let me search for it. I ordered for my medication because I have medication for the morning and for the evening, and I don't like it to always have to get it out of the strips every day. So I ordered pillbox. Let me see, where is it? Got it. A pillbox with 2 cases, and I guess you can have the days changed, but wait. It's like this. So you can have it apart. So if you just have one day that you are gone and that you need that, you can bring that. But I just wanted this, and it says, where does it say that? Here it says, it's in Dutch, but it says that if you order before 6:30 p.m., 5:30 p.m. I mean, you have it tomorrow in the house. And I think it looks nice too. So we'll see. And it's with English on it. So, yeah, this is what I ordered. Staring at a stop sign, watching people drive by. Stop nu maar, want... Oh. Got so much on your mind, nothing's really going right. Stop because of the copyright. Oh, yeah, if I do too much, I will get that it says, well, you can't have income with that. And I don't like that. I have that with the Remember 9/11, but I don't care about that one. I have that with vlog 35 from the daily vlogs. I try not to do it, to get that, because I just, yeah, I just hope someday that I will reach that border of 70 euros. That's what you have to at least have as income before you can get your money from YouTube. And it's not that I do it for that, but it's nice if it could. So I'm trying to avoid the copyright claims. So, yeah. Okay. Tomorrow when that pillbox is in, I'm gonna make a video about how I put it in there and how it looks, and because tomorrow I'm not filming a lot also because I am going to my volunteer job. So yeah, I don't know if it's possible to put it in a mail slot. I hope so, because otherwise I have to wait a day longer. But I will be back with you later. And love you guys because you're watching, and I like that. Bye bye. I just slept on the couch. I'm really tired. But maybe that's gonna change because the medication for my leg could make you sleepy, and that I now take at night. So we'll see. So yeah, I just woke up. I'll see you later. Bye. I just took a shower. And again, more piercing. Stupid piercing. But I just love it too much to take it out. And I'm watching Minecraft Survival of Knoll. Yeah. So, yeah. Well, yeah. I don't have anything to say. I'm gonna eat. I saved for the last time before the holiday. And also after, but this one again. So I'll be back with you later. Bye.
Je moet gewoon een random woord roepen en wat het ook mag zijn, dat mag je helemaal zelf invullen. En oh mijn god, alweer een tempel daar.
Wow.
Hello.
We gaan hem
I'm back. It's 20 past 7 and I'm on my bed with my laptop as usual.
Ja, we gaan even
Nothing new, right?
gaan we naar Eindhoven?
En
Ja, maar ik heb niet zo'n cool helmpje.
Nee, maar dat hoeft ook niet. Jerry heeft het ook niet.
Ja, dankjewel voor het
Oh, ik bedoel Link.
strooien van mijn...
Ik bedoel Link. Oké, plaatje bootje.
I'm gonna watch some Knoll Survival.
Je reed mij volledig aan de net.
And I'm not gonna sleep too late.
Oh my god, Jezus Christus, heb je deed dat? Ja. Jee, ik word de laatste tijd alleen maar gejumpscared in Minecraft.
Oh my god, geniaal.
So I'm gonna go and laugh and try not to lose my breath, because if I laugh too hard, I need to cough a lot.
Dankjewel, waarom ben je zo traag? Oh, ik heb
It's gonna be alright.
mining figures.
And tomorrow it's 10
Dat betekent dat je
days till take off.
30 ongeveer niet kan minen.
But for me,
Ja,
oh, but
ja, dat is best baal, ja, inderdaad.
Ja, ik baal er echt van. Ik vind het echt jammer.
Oké,
I don't know anymore.
ogen open.
For me,
Moet je ergens
because for
zijn.
me
En ook
it's
de vorige,
now
want de vorige
11 days till
waren
take
allemaal
off.
enge gorilla's. Ik zie er gewoon een.
When you see this, it's 10 days till take off.
Oké, laten we hier aan land gaan.
Yeah, that's
Je kunt
it.
even schuilen om nog een leuk feitje te vertellen.
Oh, daar in dat hoekje daar.
Ja, maar oh shit, bewaar je boot. Oh nee, hij is kapot.
Het is veel te laat. Enzo, wat was nou het vorige feitje? Over
So,
je oplet, dan lik je iemand je elleboog?
Ja, ik snap er niks van. Let je even niet op dat je iemand zo je elleboog likken. Wat is dan een kut feitje?
Ik heb geen idee.
And
Dat is serieus het feitje?
Echt waar.
this is not gonna work because
reacties van je Enzo
I am watching and I'm vlogging all together, and that's not working because I
Vaginale feit. Ja.
can laugh
Ja, dat is super
and
fun.
stuff like that, but I can't focus then.
Kijk, ik bedoel, ik
Oh,
stel
And
voor.
Die is goed.
yeah,
Ik had even
so
die
I will say to
video
you,
gezien. Nou, dat komt echt...
tot morgen.
Nee,
Doei
die is wel
doei!
geniaal. Oh!